how to turn on or off fundraisers by orders notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off fundraisers by orders notifications on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram, and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click this three lines in the top corner, and then click settings and click notifications, and here you will find the fundraisers, and as you see here you will find it. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.